Hey everyone, my name is Paul, and in this video I'm replacing the left side handlebar switch on this Chinese scooter. This switch has the high and low beam headlights, turn signal, and horn button. You know your scooter is really good when you have duct tape holding it together. We'll need to take out 6 screws from the leg shield fairing. Use a normal size Phillips screwdriver. The upper chrome trim takes a big Phillips screwdriver. Let's unclip that. There are 2 more screws on each side holding the lower part of the fairing. Finally, use a big Phillips screwdriver to remove the 1 bolt in front. Take out 2 Phillips head screws and the headlight switch splits in half. Push the lower part straight down and remove it. Unplug the 9-pin connector and pull the switch wiring out of the scooter. Pay attention to the pin in the lower half of the new switch. It fits into a hole in the handlebar. Tighten the 2 Phillips head screws that hold the turn signal switch together. Route the wiring into the scooter and plug in the connector. Turn it on and test the turn signals. They work, and so does the horn. Let's put the front fairing back on. Install the front bolt first. 6 more screws hold it in from the back. If they don't all thread in, that's fine. You can always add duct tape. The chrome trim snaps into place next. It has 2 big Phillips head bolts holding it in. Finally, let's take care of the screws on the lower part of the fairings. Replacing the left side turn signal switch was actually very easy. I would say the most difficult part was just dealing with the plastic. That's all I have for now, and be sure to check out my other scooter repair videos.